This will be a very quick, dirty video, how to make a 480 high flow filter. Take an old filter, or this one just happens to be a new cheap filter. Next time I would just use an old one and clean it, but pull it apart, just pry. I just pried with this kind of a screwdriver, use some pliers, pry the thing back, pull it apart, pull the regular filter material out of it. 100 mesh stainless steel screen is what I'm using. It's plenty fine. It's going to catch any of the small stuff. It'll flow good. So now, just got to put it back together. Figure out how. And there, put it back together and then kind of trim the edges of it. Should be all that's needed. We'll see here. Never done this, so we'll see how bad it is. Very tight. Goes in on that side. So it's all in except for this corner. I might just have that corner a little bit too tight still. Easy part about this is at this point it'll just come back apart. Just take and open that up a little bit more. Try again. All right, I just took the screwdriver and kind of did a little pry job there to it. Got it all to pop down. Now I'm just going to trim around the edge here, kind of roughly, because it don't matter. Not going to make much difference. Honestly, you can leave it just hanging out. It's not going to make a difference. Now, just fold these back over. Pretty simple. Okay, all done. It's crimped. Looks lovely. Looks like it's store-bought or something. You know, pure billet goodness, right? but maybe $1.50 worth of stainless mesh, maybe 10 minutes time. Honestly, if you have to buy the mesh and then buy a filter, you're probably better off just buying one of these things. I wasn't really didn't really have the time to wait for one, so there we go.